What's good, everyone? Today is April 15th, 2026. I am recording this trade recap from my phone because my Wi-Fi was out, so I could not trade from my PC and had to trade using the cellular on my phone. And I did not have access to my live account because Tradevate wasn't letting me log in. So this trade was taken purely on an eval, and I got brutally break-evened by one tick, literally one tick from hitting my TP, and we end up going break-even. Now I'm going to quickly explain this trade because I have to go to class, and just I'm on my phone. I'm going to have to edit this on like iMovie or something. I don't want to overcomplicate it, so I'm going to make it quick. Here's the P&L, break-evened. Now, coming into the day, I was, like, overall, I am bullish. Obviously, I'm bullish. How can you be bearish? Like, just look at this. We're trending higher. We're going towards all-time highs. We're displacing through all these highs over here. Obviously, I'm bullish. However, I do not want a long if we have, literally since Sunday opened, we have not rebalanced the 4-hour range. We have, like, 6 4-hour fair value gaps, and none of them have been tapped into. We've had no rebalance, no pullback. Now, yesterday I didn't want a long. Monday I was cool with longing because we rebalanced over here on this low over here. But I didn't get anything. Tuesday I didn't want a long because we were all the way up here. I wanted to rebalance yesterday. We never got it. Didn't get any longs. And now today I also wanted to rebalance, and we got it. It just ended up not working out. Now I still don't want to short and continue shorting. So a lot of the days where there's like super overextended price action, you can just wait for a resweep of the high of day and get a short towards the rebalance. So that's kind of what I expected today. That isn't something that I've tested enough for me to fully implement it into my model, and I do need to test it. But I was super confident in it due to, one, we are extremely overextended, and two, the internal targets looked great. And we souped the high perfectly, and the displacement was also great. The internal targets were perfect. We had all of this low resistance liquidity over here, and we had these equal lows right over here, which is what I had my TP set at. And I limit ordered. The close was all the way down here. I didn't want to enter all the way here, so I literally just put a random limit order around here. And I got tapped in, and then went break even pretty instantly because ES took, no, I think I just went break even at this low. And then this candle randomly just shoots down in like 5 seconds. It was hovering around here, and it just randomly shot down extra 30 points all the way down here. Now, it happened like right before the candle close, so it does look like I could have exited. But theoretically, I was supposed to exit at the SMT with this low, because you see this is the 9:02 a.m. low. That low got taken on ES, so I was supposed to exit here. However, I did not see it because it happened so quickly, and I am on my phone, so I'm not used to like switching between stuff. On my computer, I have both charts open at once, so I would have seen that on my computer. But I'm on my phone. I've never traded on my phone before, maybe one time like a year and a half ago. And yeah, I wasn't able to see that SMT, and by the time that I saw that SMT, price was all the way up here, and I didn't want to exit, for like 0.3 RR. So I was just waiting. I was like, whatever. If I get break even, I get break even. It's all good. Nothing I could have really done about it. I'm not going to be upset at myself. And it ended up coming up to my break even. Now, am I upset at myself for taking this trade? No, I'm not. It was a great trade, even though it isn't something that I've fully back tested yet. I have forward tested it a lot, and I just was very confident in it. Once I back test it more and like learn all the discretion towards it, I will fully implement it as one of my models, one of the like sequence. Well, my phone just randomly turned off. Back to it. I will implement it as one of the models that I trade. This like exact sequence where we resweep that high of the day or whatever it is, and expecting a rebalance on the 4-hour time frame or the higher time frame. But yeah, I just need to test it more so I can fully implement it and learn like more stuff about it, because right now it's just been forward testing. And once I learn all like the discretions to it, like when to take it, when not to take it, I will fully implement it, and I will be down to take it on my live account too. This trade, if my live account was connected, I wouldn't have taken it, just because, I mean, maybe I would have taken it because it was a really nice setup. If it was just by itself, just the sweep of the high and the short, I wouldn't have taken it. But because the displacement was so good, because the internal targets were great, I was fine with taking it. And I didn't expect to see longs today, just because we are so extended. I did expect maybe we could have seen them, but I wouldn't have been able to get in on them, just because I'm not going to long when we're so high up in premium. So yeah, not upset that I took this trade, and I'm not upset that it ended up being a break even when it should technically have been a win. Not upset about that. I'm not mad at myself for it. Well, I'm upset, but not at myself. Like, I didn't do anything wrong. Like, I can't beat myself up about it for, not being used to trading on a phone and having my Wi-Fi out last second. Nothing I could have done, and this, like, it just happened at the worst time that this candle ended up, like, randomly for 5 seconds dumped, and then right after the next candle opened, ripped back up, and by then it was too late for me to exit, and we ended up being bullish. So it's good that it was a break even and not a loss, because I ended up being wrong about the short-term bias for the day. And yeah, just wanted to be transparent. I didn't take this on my live account. I would show the P&L if it let me log in, but it doesn't. I guess just next time I take a trade, you'll see my P&L, or when I do the week. I have been slacking on the weekly recaps, but next time I make a video, I will show the P&L on it, as long as the Wi-Fi is back up, and you'll see that it was the same thing. Or if I lose, it'll be just the same thing minus whatever I lost, or plus whatever I won, or if it's a break even again, whatever. You'll see, I'm not lying about it. I didn't take it on my live account. And yeah, I'll see you guys next video.